how are you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to make the Japanese style miso flavored organic veggies and swordfish hot pot. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, let's begin, shall we? Now, I'm gonna put some mixed organic veggies, alright? So, carrots, okay, eggplant, onions, celeries. Okay, you just put everything right now, like this, yeah. Don't worry, it might overflow, but at the end, it's gonna be bloody awesome. I know I shouldn't say that kind of term, but I did say that, right? So, those of you parents, don't be like me, okay? So I'm just showing the about the cooking stuffs, right? Okay, and then what else? I should have said what else? Huh? I have shiitake mushrooms. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And of course, organic shiitake mushrooms. So I don't waste the stalk part. You can slice that, make good stock. Okay. Yeah. I still have shiitake mushrooms, but also have the underneath. It's kind of hidden, but here, king oyster mushrooms. All right. Hey, boom, boom, boom. Right, so. Yeah, we're gonna eat tons of food, everybody. Yeah, and then swordfish. So roughly a pound. Yeah, not too many. Yeah, very uncomical, huh? Normally, the comical chef, I put tons of it. So, of course, I've already washed, okay, soaked in my secret, not secret, but brine solutions made out of purified water, organic vinegar, and baking soda. Then add some tofu. Okay. Bam. Bam. Yeah, I kind of missed those shows back in the 90s. I was a college brat back in the days. And then here, organic freshly grated garlic. Okay, and organic freshly grated ginger. Let me taste this. The good kick, huh? And then, boom, you just put it. Yeah. And I don't want to waste the garlic juice, so just put the purified water. Okay. Yeah. Then, most importantly, organic miso paste, right? So with the Japanese agriculture standard organic certified, so you put you know what, roughly 2 tablespoons. Yeah. All right. And it doesn't take too long to get cooked, so yeah, roughly 2, you know what, just a little more. Yeah, 2 tablespoons. Yeah, what kind of wayside, huh? All right. Here. You can put evenly, yeah? And don't worry, you don't need to add water too much. Yeah, so basically it's like a garlic, ginger, miso broth kind of thing. Yeah. And I'm not going to add the fish broth or chicken stock or whatever kind of thing today, because you're gonna get the juice from these ingredients, right? Yeah. I love miso. Who doesn't? Then, yeah. So organic jalapeno pepper sauce. The certifications. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. I love cooking. 1, 2, 3, 4. I love cooking. Right? So, what was that? I splashes bukkake style. The udon. Wow. Excuse me. Yeah. And organic olive oil. Yeah, 3 tablespoons, I guess. And lastly, at the end, I'm gonna add some organic greens. Okay, so that's about a pound. Okay, I measured. So, yeah. You know what? I can go ahead do that, add that, because you can get the water from the ingredients. You don't need to add everything at this moment. Maybe, oh yeah, some Chinese bok choy cabbage as well. Yeah, maybe I can try to add all of them. Yeah, don't worry, it's gonna be super good. I'm just gonna squeeze it. Yeah, and then once it starts filling up totally, then I'll add it at the end. Yeah, this is my style, the comical chef style. Yeah, shaka. Okay. Yeah, maybe I should. Yeah, because the stem has the water comes from here, so you don't. That's why you don't need to add water. Of course, I did add some water because I didn't want to waste the essence of garlic, organic garlic and ginger. See, I only believe in organic veggies because if you use inorganic, the pesticides-ridden one, you lose almost 95% of the theoretical nutrition values. So it tastes like typical veggies, but it doesn't have nutrition. That's why many people in the world are suffering badly because of that. That's why you try to get organic veggies as much as you can. Now, those of you don't have the access to organic veggies, I strongly recommend, or I should say it is a must, to cut the veggies, right? And then soak into a bucket of purified water mixed with organic apple cider vinegar or organic vinegar of your choice, and then baking soda. You mix it up, you put that stuff in, and let it sit for maybe 30 to 60 minutes, 60, right? So that way at least you can get rid of 65%, mid to 85% of pesticides or any other nasty stuff into it. So that's the beauty. So don't give up, right? If you cannot do it, how could make it happen? Or how can we find some alternatives? That's being an entrepreneur. That's how I've been teaching people, right? Not only cookings, but finance and everything. So I'm gonna close the lid, baby. Oh, man, I'm gonna show you. I know this camera, I'm not a good cameraman, but it doesn't matter. All right. Here, don't worry. right? So once it starts cooking, this baby is going to be closed like a clamshell. And now I'm using this wok made by Amway Corporation, right? Yeah, this one, Amway Queen. It's a North American market is sold as Amway I Cookware, right? Not the iPhone I Cook, right? So, all right. So anyway, so the beauty of this, the stainless steel cooking pan, right? It doesn't, unlike the Teflon one, which I don't recommend. You don't have to worry about the releasing the neuro-disturbing agents. Yeah, and do your research, right? Not because I am saying so. Yeah, and then it cooks faster than what you think because it spreads the heat fast. This one is virtually the Dutch oven of the 21st century. But even though this one was developed in 1950s, yeah, even before the computer technology becoming available worldwide. So this is my favorite gadget. Yeah. Okay, so I guess I see you in 30 to 45 minutes. All right, cheers. Okay, so I think it's ready. So let's take a look. All right, so we have so many things. Happy family, right? So tofu, pesticides free. It's called mizuna leaves. I forgot what that in English. And then bok choy, organic of course. I only use organic ingredients. I mean, and the wild seafood, right? So then we have here. I know it may not look appetizing, but it doesn't matter. So it is so good. Yeah. So yeah. Organic ginger, garlic. It's underneath, right? And then because the miso paste, you have to mix it up, yeah, right, to make it better, smoother, right? So we have there swordfish, diced, nice, huh? Yeah, it is ready. So you have to mix it up a bit. You don't need to mix it thoroughly because you're gonna ruin the entire meal. So. Right, so the shiitake mushrooms, yeah, this is beautiful, awesome sauce, right? I mean, those of you are vegetarians, you don't need to add swordfish. You just eat. Maybe you put extra tofu or tempeh if you want it. Okay, so let's begin. Ooh wee. Right. Some tofu. I love this kind of hot pot because they have so many, nutritious values, Who's gonna complain? Nobody. People who will complain, they don't appreciate. That's their issues, right? So, okay. So, here. Right, and then, yeah, some swordfish. Oh, underneath the bottom is getting hot. Yeah. Whoa, I can't wait to eat this. It's so good, right? Then be some big veggies on top. Yeah. Right. Don't worry about this. It happens all the time. Yeah. Now garnish with swordfish on top. How's that sound? Yeah. ready. Ooh! What was that? Okay, that's no problem. Yeah. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we have it. Organic veggies and swordfish hot pot or stew with the miso, organic miso, ginger, garlic trio, right? Broth, so to speak. Wow, let's eat them. Let's try. Yeah. So, choose. This is good. I do taste some onions, you know, the herbal stuffs, right? This is good. I know we are going towards the summertime. At the same time, so nighttime is still chilly. So here in Tokyo, it's about 54 F. You know, it's kind of, which is good, perfect. But anyway, so. And as always, I do apologize eating from you like this because this is the chef's privilege. Okay, so thank you. So, the fried tofu. You gotta have this, right? Yeah. This is good. Okay. So, thank you for watching. And those of you enjoy, please subscribe and press thumbs up. And then ring the bell, right? Right? So, cheers to our great health. God bless you all. Take care. Hi, thank you for watching my cooking shows. Those of you enjoyed, please press the thumbs up and ring the bell. And then don't forget to subscribe my cooking channel so that you won't be missing the forthcoming cooking shows. Stay hungry and cheers, and make sure you stay strong and positive. All right, cheers. God bless you.